So I think we have now covered pretty much the whole refurbishment flow. If you are able to kind of like walk it through fast and kind of go through everything, I think that would be a really nice recap for our listeners.
So I'll try to do a refurbishment flow in 30 seconds, kind of a thing. So,
it's a challenge.
Yeah, it's a challenge. But I would say everything always starts from the aspect that you try to like identify and inspect what is this item or what are these items. Based on that, you do an initial sortation. Where should this item go? Who should start working on it? Or should it already, based on that, I can see that it's garbage, so it should go to a kind of a next best use analysis, where I decide, do I turn it to spare parts, do I recycle it, or do I donate it, or what do I do with it? In the sortation, I might also decide these high-level things that this needs a quick wash before it can go to refurbishment or grading. After this, we have an item that is ready to go to a grading process. It's clean, it's workable, we know what it is. We can analyze what the grade is and whether it makes sense to spend time, so parts, employee time, some other kind of resources to start to kind of improve the grading of that item. So let's push it from bad condition to good as new. For that, I usually have some kind of software help to figure out if I spend $50 repairing it, do I get $100 in sales price improvement? If that economical equation makes sense, then I continue with the grading. If it doesn't, if I might decide to sell it as is, or then again, throw it to next best use. After this, we should have a graded product and refurbished product that I'm ready to resell. So in order to do that, I need to turn that item into kind of create a listing or a catalog product page for it. That usually demands some kind of a individualist photo of that item. And then if I've used some kind of inventory system to track all of this, the other information like prices and condition automatically come from that information. And then I have a catalog item or listing in my online store that an end user can browse. And when they buy it, I can pick back and ship it. So that would be kind of probably took more than 30 seconds, but that's the quick summary.
Yeah, took a little bit more than 30 seconds, but I think that's fine. That was a really nice recap of what type of a refurbishment cycle is in a nutshell. But as discussed, usually it's a little bit more complex, and then you have these own. But I think the main phases are on our example already.
I think the quickest that I can do is that what is it? Can we refurbish it? Should we refurbish it? Then doing it and then selling it again. I'm using your words. Can and should we?
That's really good. That was under 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Very nice.